Hello. I got a couple of questions on this topic, so I just wanted to create a video and talk about it real quick. So for this assignment that is in Module 2, it's the rhythm strip assignment, and there's a place to turn that in as well. What I really want you to do and what my expectations are just the first two items here. So what I would like for you to do is to look at this and see if you can determine the rate. And for the purposes of this class, as we talked about, or at least I said on my previous video that you had, I want you to determine the rate based on the peak of the R value. So here, there's 1, 2, 3 peaks, and this is a 6-second strip. I will always be giving you 6-second strips, so you can multiply the R value rate by the strip seconds times 10, and then that will give you 3 or 30 beats per 60 seconds or minute. So 1, 2, 3 times 10 is 30 per minute. And I would like for you to take a look at the rate, which is 30 beats per minute, and the rhythm, and this seems to the naked eye to be regular. And for rhythm, all I want you to say is either regular or irregular. And here, this is the second one. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that is 90 beats per minute. And you can see pretty clearly here with, just your naked eye without zooming in, that this is wider, this is a bit wider, this is a bit closer. So the rhythm for this strip here would be irregular. And down here, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beats. So that's 50 beats per minute. And even though this looks unusual a bit, this is still a regular rhythm. So I want you for this assignment to go through and just put the rate in the rhythm. After you get finished studying the Module 3 work, we will start talking more about what is expected in the rest of these lines. But for now, if you could complete this assignment and turn it into me, then I'll know if you understand what the basic rate and rhythm is, and then we can move on from there. So thank you so much, and I will talk to all of you soon.